Hey, what's up? My name is Dylan Contreras, and in today's video, we are going to talk about 3 ways that you can find models around your area. Whether you are a beginner photographer or you have years on years of experience, finding models can sometimes be tricky, and it's something that I have struggled with for a very long time. And some of these strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you are strategies that have worked and some have failed. So without further ado, let's get started. So to find models, it can actually be the easiest thing or the hardest thing for some people. For me, when I was starting off with photography, it was one of the most challenging things I've had to ever do, just because one, I didn't know how to present myself. I didn't know what I should even text or say to the model. And sometimes I just wouldn't even have an idea on a shoot. I just wanted to experiment. And that is where TFP kind of shoots come into play. You can go into Facebook and you can search up TFP shoot and put your area after. So you can put TFP in Philly, which is where I'm from, and a couple of groups are going to pop up. Now, if in your area there are no groups, you are going to have to work with the next best thing, which would be Instagram. On Instagram, you can search up hashtags around your area. So if there is a very popular park, or if you live in a very popular town, then you can just put that in and then put models after. Like in this example, we can put Philly models. We could see what pops up. We could see the people that come up on the page, and we could hit some of them up and see if they would love to work with us. The only thing with this is that some people come to the city and travel, and they'll use that hashtag because they are in that town, but that doesn't mean that they live in that town. So that can become a little bit tricky, but it just comes down to kind of looking over their page and seeing if they are really from Philly. Based on their bio and pictures, you could be able to recognize if they are from your city. Now, number 3, believe it or not, TikTok. Now, a lot of people think that TikTok is still a kids app and that it doesn't deserve to have any people on that app. But I'm here to say that TikTok is very, very helpful when it comes to learning things and connecting with people. Now, you can either post a video asking people to collaborate with you on TikTok, or you can just look up Philly models or wherever you may be from, and there are bound to be a couple people that are making content around you. It was kind of a quick video, and I just wanted to let you guys know that it can be easy. You just kind of have to go out and try. I'm not saying that you are going to find models today or even tomorrow, but the more that you look, you'll eventually find someone that you would love working with. I don't know if that made sense, but I hope it did. And this was my first official YouTube video. Let me know if you guys have any pointers, advice on YouTube, and make sure to subscribe because I will be posting more often. Peace.